The 2019 Subaru WRX is equipped with a triple meter, which can display up to 3 items on the multifunction display. Drivers can choose from displaying engine oil temperature, average vehicle speed, accelerator opening ratio, vehicle posture, odometer-based average fuel consumption, boost pressure, journey distance, and vehicle ignition average fuel consumption. To select the 3 items you would like to display, navigate to the triple meter through the Screen Settings menu within the multifunction display using the arrow and select buttons on the top of the center stack. Choose up to 3 items, and then select Set to exit the settings. If you would like to go back without applying changes, select Go Back. The Subaru WRX can remember your birthday or anniversary and display a message when the ignition is turned to the on position. To set a birthday or anniversary, first make sure the date and time settings are correct. Then select Birthday from the second menu in the settings screen. Select the number you want to register from the list and enter the date. Up to 5 birthdays can be registered. This is another way to customize your Subaru ownership experience.